Hello world. I got another subscriber's request from this guy again. He's asking to make a tutorial how to make a taillights, headlights, taillights material for cars. I already started it. It's a second attempt to make a tutorial, because in the first attempt I was actually modeling these piece of the headlight and tail light, and I was actually modeling it, but I forgot to put start on the video, recording of the video, and I screwed up. So this is going to be just a material tutorial, most likely, because first attempt was failed, unfortunately, when I was actually modeling. But it's all very basic. Maybe only this LED lights modeling with a curve was a little bit new thing, but all other stuff, it's a very basic modeling material. So this one gonna be just the materials tutorial. So let's start it. For example, we have these geometry pieces. One is a very generic headlight, another is a tail light, and the headlight, interior of the headlight is usually just a regular chrome material. So create new material, and to make it chrome, white. To make a material chrome, you just changed, you go to the materials tab, this here, and change metallic from 0 to 1. Now it's a metallic, but it has to be shiny. It has to mirror like look in order to be real hard chrome material, and for that you just decrease roughness to a 0. That's a very basic chrome material. Probably I have to apply that same material somewhere here too. The bulbs, headlight bulbs, they're usually like glass material. So select one and let's delete chrome material and create just a regular glass. It's not gonna be very visible here though, or maybe I have to unhide the covers of the headlight, the outer part headlight cover, and I'm going to apply material here first, and then apply very same glass material to actual headlight bulbs. So in order to make it transparent, you have to change a blend mode from opaque to alpha blend, and shadow mode from back to none, because if it's gonna be transparent glass, it's not going to cast any shadows. So, and to make it actually transparent, change alpha from 1 to, let's say, 0.5. Now it's transparent, but it's kind of milky, whitish, and doesn't look realistic. Well, you gotta change a roughness also to a 0, and to make it more pronounced, the reflectivity of the glass, change specular to 1. See how I'm changing, and change it to all the way to 1. Oh, you can actually really increase the reflectivity to 3, and even 7 is too much. Maybe 2 is enough. And because it's whitish, it doesn't look like a real glass, so to make it look like a glass, you change base color from white to black. Now it's it is look like a real glass. And same glass material you can use for headlight bulbs. Just apply it instead of chrome. Use it like this. Okay, now we have decorative part inside, where are LED lights attached. We just gonna make it just regular plastic. It's very easy. Create new material and change base color from white to dark gray, and we have a regular plastic. Okay, now LED lights. LED lights, I did it kinda to say it. I'm going to invert selection. 2 sides. Back sides is going to be like some just a regular dark material. I'm assigned to that area of the LED light, and change it to dark. I'm not going to do anything, and inverse selection, and I'm going to add another material, and this material is going to be actual LED lights, and for that I'm assign it and change principal BSDF to emission, and increase it from 1 to maybe 5. Now we have LED lights turned on. It's not very pronounced again because the scene is lighted very well. We can decrease the lightness to a 0. Now it's with pitch black. It's gonna be look like a modern LED lights. Let's get back to regular lighting. Same. Change. Okay. Now taillights. Taillights could be done very similar way, but slightly different. Or for a cover of the taillights, sometimes you can use just a regular transparent light, but well, for now I'm going to use just a regular transparent light, like on a headlight cover, and hide it temporarily. This is going to be, well, first we're gonna apply material which is similar. It's a plastic. No, not that one. This area is going to be plastic and chrome, and create new material, and basically going through the same thing. metallic all the way up to 1, roughness to 0, we got regular chrome. But in order to make it look like a taillight, change chrome material to from white to red. Now we have red chrome material. Also, probably I have to apply regular chrome here and here to the bulbs. And the very same way, almost same way, we can apply materials to a taillight LED lights. Create new material, change it to something dark, inverse selection, add new material, can create new material, assign it, and change principal BSDF to emission, and increase strength to 5, and just change color from white to red. That's how you get red LED lights. And again, if you decrease light situation on the scene, it's gonna look like LED lights on a modern car. Okay. And last thing, the cover. If you feel like it doesn't have enough red, or do you want to make red a little bit more pronounced on tail lights? Because just give me a second, I want to hide actual Bezier curves. If you want to make tail lights cover more pronounced, you have to change its cover to just delete this material, create new, change blending mode to alpha blend, shadows to 0, change transparency level, putting 0.5, and change roughness to 0 and specular to 2. Now just a regular transparent glass we did by changing white color to black, dark black. But if you want red taillight more pronounced or more realistic, you can change black to red, even to all the way red. But this is a little bit too much. I think on the middle is good enough. Yeah. This how it was how it looked when it was black. This how it looked when it's red. Very nice, juicy red taillights. Well, this is it for today. I hope you like it. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, you can always leave a mean comment on the comment section below. Till next time, bye bye.